Let's look at question number 21. This is from the everyday mathematics. The purpose of this questions is to solve questions in everyday life. So the question reads as, a city has a population of 92,582. Round off the population to the nearest hundreds. So let's write down the number first. 9, 2, 5, 8, 2. That is the population of the city. Now in the units place you have 2, or ones place you have 2, and then you have at the tens place 8, hundreds place is 5 and 5, at the thousands place you have 2, and at the 10,000s place you have 9. Since the question says that you have to round off to the nearest 100, the value at the nearest 100 is 5. And the next number to 5 is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. We can round off to the higher digit, which is 9, 2. Without changing this, at the 100th place, 582 can become 600, which is rounding off to the nearest 100. The conclusion is the answer for this question is option B. Let's look at the question number 22. The question reads as following. If there are 25,632 seats in Stadium P, 30,654 seats in Stadium Q, and 15,620 seats in Stadium R, then which stadium the number of seats were least? To determine this, let's find out. Let's give a name to each of the stadium that has seats. Let's start with P, which is our first stadium. It has 25,632 seats. Then let's write Q, which is our second stadium, which has got 30,654 seats. Let's write the third stadium, which is R, and the number of seats here is 15,620 seats. So since they want us to find the least number of seats in a stadium, the obvious answer is R, which is the smallest stadium with the least number of seats. And for R, the option here is C, which is our correct answer. Let's look at question number 23. Here we have, the question is, the XYZ company estimated the cost to build a new baseball stadium, which is rupees 94,000. What is the number in numerical form? So this one is reasonably easy. All you have to do is write the number in a numerical form, which is 94,000, which is option B. Let's look at question number 24. The question reads as, Kavya brought the given washing machine. The tag on the machine is the price of the washing machine after rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Which of the following could be the price of the washing machine? Let's look at the price tag on the washing machine here. And if you see, the price tag mentioned here is 58,600. Now we have to find among the four options given, which could be the closest match or round off to the price tag mentioned on the washing machine. Let's take option A. The price mentioned here is 58,652. Let's try to round it off to the nearest 100. Since it's nearest 100, let's see what's the value of the tens position. Here it's 5. So since it's 5 or greater than 5, we will increase the number of round off to 58,700, which is the value of A's round off. Let's see the second option. Option B, the number given, the price tag given is 58,485. Again, since we are rounding off to the nearest 100, let's see the value at the tens position. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5? Since it's greater than 5, we will round it off at the higher end, which is going to be 58,500. Now let's see option C. The price tag given at option C is 58,595. Let's round this to the nearest 100. Since it's nearest 100, let's look at tenth position. Tenth position is 9, which is greater than 5. So the answer is going to be 58,600. Now let's look at option D. Option D is 59,584. Let's round this to the nearest 100. We are going to look at the face value of the number at the tens place, which is greater than 5. So let's round this off, and it's going to be 59,600. Now, among these options, 58,600 is what we need to get, which is option C, which is your correct answer. Let's look at question number 25. If you see question number 25, it reads as following. Mr. Sharma invited 276015 guests in his daughter's marriage. Which of the following options shows the correct number name for numbers of guests invited by him? Let's first write down the number of guests Mr. Sharma invited, which is 276015, and write the place values of each of the digits. This is ones place or units place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. This is 10,000s place. And this is the place of lakh. So he invited 2,76,015 people. Now you can also write this as 2 lakh plus 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 10 plus 5. But to solve this question quickly, we can simply interpret this as 2,76,015, which is our option